Hello everybody. Today is going to be a demonstration of my 52-inch Barcelona hugger ceiling fan in antique brass. Got this fan on Facebook Marketplace for $10 along with two other CECs. This one's in pretty nice shape. The blade irons are non-original and the mounting bracket is non-original, but other than that, everything else you see is original. Came with a forearm light, but I don't have it on right now because I need to clean the shades. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start it up here on low. Got no light on it. Now I will say, for having a wooden mounting bracket that I made myself, this is probably the quietest hugger I own. Maybe my Hunter low profile, because it's a Hunter low profile, but this thing is like dead silent. And it's a very powerful fan. So it gives what are allegedly the RPMs of the speeds, well, low and high at least. It says this right here is 60 RPM. I think it's more like 70. And it says high speed is 220, but I feel like high is like maybe 200. The replacement irons I got for this fan are actually very nice quality. I'm really happy with them. And I just love how this thing looks too. The replacement blade irons are like perfect. Like, they're not exactly how it should look. They should be a bit further down and stubbier and wider, but like, these are perfect. They should last a decently long time too, hopefully. Not moving a lot of air, but you can definitely tell it's moving air. Go ahead and move it up to medium. And this thing's got a really good sounding motor. So maybe I'll, after it spins down, we'll get I'll show you how it sounds. And also, if anybody knows who made this fan, let me know. It might be a CEI. I'm thinking it's a CEI. Not sure on that though. Kind of has a slight noise. I think that's the motor housing, because it's not 100% tight on there just because of the fact that it's wood and the metal screws don't really thread into it. They're just kind of in it. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope that made sense. Pretty quiet here on medium. Plenty of air. go up to high. Yeah, the motor on this thing sounds sick. This is a pretty big motor too. This is a pretty powerful fan. Very happy with its performance. I've only had one Hugger ceiling fan in my room. I don't have that many Huggers. I think I have 4. Do I even have 4? Yeah, I have. Well, if you count the close mount fans, I've got 5. Is it 5? Yeah, I only have 5 Huggers. I need to get some more. Because fans like this are just so pretty to me. It's a real nice fan right here. You know what I want really badly? I want a Hampton-Bay Chatham. I love those fans. They're so pretty. There's the slightest little shake from the motor, but it's really not that bad. I should put these blade irons on a regular 4-blade motor, see if on like a down round one, see how it wobbles. But yeah, this thing's moving a lot of air on high. Very powerful fan. Go ahead and shut it off. And let it spin down. I'm not sure how good the bearing situation is on this. I know they're definitely quiet. They seem to be pretty free too, so. This is probably the only fan that didn't need any bearing work when I got it. The CEC close mount, I just needed to realign the motor, I guess. And the Newport just needed to be ran a little bit. That might still be bad, I don't know. I might need to replace them. So yeah, it's gonna stop right there. But before I end the video, we're gonna get a startup sound of it. I don't know if y'all could hear that. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.